Nestled on the shores of Lake Michigan, Petoskey is more than just a postcard-perfect town, known for its charming Victorian houses and the fabled Petoskey stones. This place is a hidden gem in the heart of the Midwest. Once a thriving lumber town, Petoskey has reinvented itself as a haven for artists, adventurers, and anyone seeking a slice of Americana. Today we dive deep into the history, the culture, and the spirit that makes Petoskey a true Michigan treasure. We're starting off our morning at the historic Gaslight District at Roast and Toast because you know what they say, a coffee a day keeps the psychiatrist away, at least for me. Just a stone throw away from Petoskey, here lies Boyne Mountain, a four-season playground where adventure knows no bounds. With 415 acres of skiable terrain, this is a winter wonderland for thrill seekers. But the fun doesn't stop when the snow melts. You can take a dive in Michigan's largest indoor water park, or take a walk on the wild side at the world's longest timber tower suspension bridge, Skybridge, Michigan. In the nick of time, I'm just creating drama for my movie. They made it in the nick of time. So from the mountain to the water, here we are with Captain John on a ferry headed to Bay Harbor Village, where luxury meets the bay. Well, we're almost there, Bay Harbor Village. We're gonna enjoy the great views of Lake Michigan, maybe indulge in a little shopping and some dinner perhaps. Actually, what do you think, Brackett? We think that'll do? Yeah.
One for me, one for you.
We'll do the great loop. Yeah, absolutely.
Robert, my friend, how was everything?
Hey, Philip, this is an amazing burger, amazing foods, man. I really had a great time here.
Great food with a view, right?
Can be beat. Let me tell you, we're staying another day here in our recommendations of places to visit.
Yeah, I highly recommend a distillery that's in the area. They have close friends of mine. You met my twin brother today.
Yes, I did, yeah.
So another set of twins, they have a distillery, Gypsy Distillery, just up the way.
Oh.
Great spirits, highly recommend it.
All right, right on. We're on then.
Yeah, good,
Right.
wonderful.
Hey, Philip, thank you.
Thanks again for visiting.
Yeah. Well, good morning. It rained all night, so we have a little bit of moisture. I just hope the bugs aren't too bad. I was very lucky to find this site here at Sun Outdoors, Petoskey Bay Harbor. It's impeccably located right outside downtown. It is perfect for my RV, and it gives me all the amenities to be comfortable and close to everywhere I want to go here. But we don't have much time this morning. We're gonna get out in nature and go for a hike at Petoskey State Park. Welcome to the Old Baldy Trail, a half-mile loop that leads you to the beautiful summit of Old Baldy Dune. Yeah, one of the greatest things about RVing is being able to explore places like this, nature. We have a fork on the road. Which way to go? I think I'm gonna go up. The summit must be getting close. But this isn't just a hike. It's a journey through history. This trail offers more than just scenic views. It is a window into a heritage that has shaped this land for millennia. What a great payoff after that trail to find this beach here. But no time for swimming. We're hungry, so let's go eat. With the food truck industry booming, the back lot offers the perfect place to try different cuisines. They also have a great selection of beers, so you know I had to try a local IPA. I opted to pair my beverage with a gyro from Mim's Mobile Grill. Oh, that was delicious here at the back lot, this food truck haven, but now it's time to unwind. So you know what? I'm gonna take Philip up on that recommendation. All right, Gypsy Distillery. Hello guys, I'm Robert. Nice to meet you.
I'm Michael. Nice to meet you.
I'm Adam.
Hi Adam. Adam and Michael. Man, what a cool building, huge building you guys have here.
Yeah, so Gypsy Distillery. So this is the old Bay Harbor Equestrian Center. It's a 42,000 square foot old wooden horse barn. So if you want to come with me, I'll take you around and show you what we did to the place.
That'll be awesome, yeah.
So yeah, this is the old equestrian center. This was actually the indoor riding arena. It's 17,000 square feet. We're used to ride with the horses, jump the horses, train with the horses. And now we have a bar that we converted, which is pivotal for what we do, obviously.
Yeah.
If you wouldn't mind, can you make us a couple old fashions, please? Yeah, the old fashioned's great. It's made with our Mackinac Island rum. We use an 8-year that we infused with chocolate bitters, chocolate fudge. We wanted this to feel like an indoor, outdoor area. So we have cornhole, lots of different games, ring toss, stuff like that. Yeah. And the event also is great for doing weddings and stuff like that.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Well, let's take you back there and let's see the actual distillery.
All right. Oh, look at that.
So yeah, this is the distillery. We can throw all of our botanicals in here, and everything will heat up through these columns right here, and it turns into steam. Right. Yep, and the steam will come down here while it's in a steam form.
So Mike, how do we do this? How many inches do I insert this in the thing?
About 4. That should be good right there.
And then I just
push it hold it with your thumb, create a suction. Yeah, we do this, just to kind of check how it's aging.
It is hot. That's good stuff. Oh man. All right, Mike. Thank you so much for the tour. It's been great. You got some great stuff here, man.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. I'm glad you enjoyed the place, and I hope you enjoy everything Northern Michigan.
Love it.
Cheers.
Cheers. What a time it's being here in Petoskey. From the stunning heights of Skybridge, Michigan, to the quaint charm of Bay Harbor Village. We wandered through the quiet beauty of Petoskey State Park and saw the waves crash against the shore in a rhythm as old as time itself. Then there was Gypsy Distillery, where the stories were just as good as the drinks. The things about the Midwest, especially here in Michigan, is that the people are just as much part of the landscape as the lakes and forests. Friendly, down to earth, and always ready with a tip on where to go next. If there's one thing I've learned about RVing, is that travel isn't always about having the perfect planned itinerary. Sometimes, the best experiences come from trusting the locals, letting them guide you off the beaten path and into the heart of the place. Petoskey has a way of pulling you in, making you wish you just had a little more time. And the next time I'm in Michigan, I'll make sure of it. Sadly, our time here in Petoskey has come to an end. We've had such a great time. I tell you what, we're gonna stick around the Midwest for a little bit, so we'll see you soon, somewhere around the sun.